ओनू गोयात मॉन्सून उसरा दाखल जावपाची शक्यताय हवामान खात्यान उक्तायल्या. सादारणपणान गोयात 5 जूनाक पावस पावता, मात अरबी दर्यांत पावसाची प्रगती मंद जाल्या आणि पावसाच्या पट्ट्यांची तीव्रताय उणी जाल्या. हाका लागून 2 ते 4 जून या काळात केरळात पावस येवपाची शक्यताय आसा. देखून गोयातूय ओनू पावस पावपाक कळाव जाव येता. मजगती हवामान खात्यान उत्तर आणि दक्षिण गोंय जिल्ह्या खातीर 2 ते 6 जून मेरेन येल्लो अलर्ट जारी केला. ह्या दिसांनी गोंयच्या कांय वाठारांनी गडगड्यात सयत पावस पडपाची शक्यताय आसा. वाऱ्याचो वेग वराक 40 ते 50 किलोमीटर इतलो आसतलो.
It's really increasing. Any warning or anything suggestion for it?
In between this transition phase, generally over the our state or generally over the Konkan region or the coastal state, the humidity factor is increasing because it is a transition, the wind patterns are getting changes. So that's why this kind of discomfort weather we are expecting. Since the rainfall where when we getting in good space and in a constant and consistent manner, then this gradually humidity and this kind of discomfort will slowly reduce. We are discussing about the onset of the monsoon over Kerala. So officially we are declaring that the onset of the Kerala monsoon on the 4th June we are declaring, and in next 2 days that's onset is expected for Kerala. This onset is about the particular criteria. That criteria when it is fulfilling, then we are declaring that onset is happen on the